Hi, I'm Bernadette with AD Surgical, and today I want to introduce to you one of our newest wound care products, our sterile frame-style transparent film dressing. These dressings are a thin sheet of clear polyurethane incorporating an adhesive coating to one side to allow adherence to the skin. Film dressings are highly elastic and comfortable to body contour and are suitable to use as a primary or secondary dressing. The transparent nature of these dressings allows useful visualizations of the wound site. Transparent film dressings have one particularly important property. They are permeable to water vapor, oxygen, and carbon dioxide, but impermeable to bacteria and water. This means that oxygen is allowed into the wound to promote healing, while the water vapor and carbon dioxide produced are allowed to escape. The dressing also acts as an effective barrier to bacteria and water. It is this semi-permeable nature of transparent film dressings that help them achieve lower overall infection rates than some other traditional wound dressings, such as gauze pads. Transparent film dressings are indicated for management of intravenous IV sites, skin tears, donor sites, ulcers, minor burns and scalds, abrasions, and as a post-operative dressing over sutures. Application technique. To apply, peel open the pouch and remove the sterile dressing. Peel the paper liner from the paper frame dressing, exposing the adhesive surface. Hold the dressing only near the edges and the center of the dressing over the site, making sure not to stretch the dressing while applying. Gently smooth the dressing over the center towards the edges, and then remove the paper frame from the dressing. Smooth down the dressing edges with a finger and then rub firmly over the entire dressing. Removal technique. To remove, gently grasp the edge of the dressing and then slowly pull it from the skin in the same direction the hair lies. Thank you for watching this video. To learn more about our transparent film dressings or our other wound care products, please visit us at www.ad-surgical.com.